All right, guys, we're gearing up for Flowchella, one of the greatest music festivals in the world. Today in Drawio, we're going to map out a user flow of a person buying a ticket for the Flowchella Music Festival. Also, if you would like to attend Flowchella, I will tell you how at the end of this video. While you're at it, please like this video and subscribe. We're going to diagram this user flow in Drawio for Confluence and Jira. That way our diagram lives exactly where all the other related work is happening. Designers and developers and anybody else involved can all work within the same space. It literally keeps everyone on the same page. In this user flow, we'll see the ticket buyer's journey from the moment that they enter the website to the moment that they get their ticket and every possible step in between. First, we'll grab an ellipse from the shapes library and drop it onto our canvas. We'll also make it green to symbolize the start of our process. Next, we'll drag in a rectangle for our first action, which is select tickets. Now we have a fork in the road where the buyer has two options, and we use a diamond shape to represent this decision split. This is where the user chooses whether they want a day ticket or a camping ticket. Text in our camping shape is hyperlinked. With Draw.io, you can add custom links to external web pages, Confluence headers, and even other pages of your diagram like we've done here. Clicking the link takes you to the second page of our multi-page diagram outlining the camping sub-process. The decision splits have been visualized for the number of days a user wishes to camp and their choice between standard camping or VIP glamping. The final shape is linked, taking the diagram viewer back to the main user flow. Now that we're back at our main user flow, we can add connectors. Hover over a box, grab the blue arrow, and snap it to the next step. Our buyer's next steps are add to cart, review, and input card details, and these will be standard flowchart rectangles. Now we have our second fork in the road, which is whether the buyer's transaction was successful or not. If the payment is declined, we don't want the user journey to end right there. We need a way for the user to try again. So we'll draw a line from the no branch back up to review order. I'm going to change the line style to dashed as a simple visual cue that the buyer is looping back to a previous step. If the transaction is successful, we'll finish our user flow off with a final red oval to symbolize the end of the buyer's journey. And there you have it, a clean, professional user flow ready just in time for the launch of Flowchella. Also, if you would like to attend Flowchella, come by the Drawio booth at Team 26 Anaheim. In the meantime, drop a comment of your favorite festival headliner, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and until next time, happy diagramming.